Xiaomi has been rumored to be working on a next generation of its Mi Mix series flagship smartphone, which is expected to go official in the third quarter of this year. The upcoming phone of the Mix series, Mi Mix 4, launching after 3 years, is said to offer an ultimate full-screen experience to the users. The Mi Mix 4 will allegedly not come cheap though, and could be even more expensive than the pricey Mi 11 Ultra. Mi Mix 4 is expected to feature an under-display camera, which looks something like this. Unsurprisingly, Xiaomi is thought to have equipped the Mi Mix 4 with a Snapdragon 888 chip too. Additionally, the Mi Mix 4 is believed to have a 4,500 mAh battery that it can recharge at up to 120-watt wired and will further support 70-watt wireless fast charging. Xiaomi Mi Mix 4 may miss the 2K+ resolution, but it will be equipped with a specially customized high-resolution screen, which has a better display effect than the general 1080p panel. The device is also expected to adopt a 4-frame fully equal-width design, as it aims to offer a true full-screen design with an under-display camera sensor. A recent report out of China claims that the Xiaomi Mi Mix 4 will use the MIUI 13 system. It is a massive jump over the current MIUI 12, and it will also bring features from Material UI. Reputedly, the next Mi Mix handset will retail for greater than Chinese yuan 5,999, which is around $930, and could even reach up to £1,199 in global markets, which is more expensive than the Mi 11 Ultra. There were reports that Xiaomi has hired a pioneer team which basically allows Xiaomi to develop their MIUI 13 based on various users' suggestions. So yeah, this will be making MIUI 13 on the Mi Mix 4 really good. Now about the camera sensor, there are some rumors of it featuring the liquid camera lens. Apart from this, there's not much information about it. So with that being said, let us know what you think of the leaks of this Mi Mix 4. Do you think it will be good? We think, if Xiaomi, a mainstream company, adopts an in-display front camera and actually gets the tech right, resulting in good quality images too, other companies will definitely follow suit. Make sure to check out the Xiaomi event on 22nd June. Until then, see you guys later.